Ok, esta broma no şuna film.
Whoa, Lewandowski! Gotta love, you've got to love getting a good player. 86 rated, 82 pace on him. He looks like an absolute monster on this game as well.
A few moments later.
Oh my god! Boom! as if it wasn't already going good enough. 87 rated. Thiago's. I'm telling you, I am one lucky bastard. Oh my days. Just a day before the early release, he's going to sell for a fucking shitload tomorrow as well. What is it with me and these Brazilian players? I've had Dani Alves, Marcelo, Thiago Silva, Felipe Santana. Oh my god, and now Thiago Silva. That is... mate, I love you, mate. I fucking love you. I'm by the looks of it, he loves me as well.
Oh! The fingo!
Intermacan. Oh my
It's Greg
god.
HD gamer.
Intermacan.
Oh! Thiago Silva in the last pack! In a free pack! Yes, boys! Reeve him, motherfucker! Come on!
To be honest, that's not even a good thing in the night, it's just the name.
Is he black?
My stream's so far behind, so the reaction
Last
is so
one!
choppy.
Free pack! Free pack!
Raise your dildo. Really raise your
Not
dildo.
free pack as well.
Idiot! Robin! We got Robin! We got fucking Robin! Fucking Robin! Sit down! He's worth a ton! He's worth a fucking ton! He's bound to be! Last game he was worth like fucking 300k! Yes! Get in there, son! Oh, yes! 92! Oh, what we got for 92 pace? 85 shooting. Fucking 92 dribbling.